Hello all of you beautiful people out there, my name is Majestic Muffin and welcome back to Special Effects Saturday. Today I am doing an Easter look. It is a week behind, but that's okay. I just didn't get to it and I wasn't really 100% sure on what I wanted to do. I do have a basket and some goodies, and I do have candy that I can put in it too to make it all cute. But I was thinking about like maybe I could do like a mold animal look, but I did like just do that for my doing special effects every day for a month look like those ones. So I wasn't really feeling that. So instead I'm just gonna have a bite on my arm, which I did also do during my doing special effects every day for a month look. That's fine. I'm gonna have like a little rabbit bit it, and I'll be holding the basket like the pictures. Because I have the basket, and this is a cute basket. It's kind of like falling apart, but there's that in it. And I have these gay little grass. Also, sorry if the audio is weird. I just realized I'm not using my actual microphone. I'm using the camera audio, so sorry. Cute, and I have some eggs from the dollar store. And yeah, and I'm gonna bring you over here to look at my arm. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, that is everything. Super quick, super easy. Yay. Yay.